Okay, so I have become such a fan of this right here. This is the Apple AirPods, and I'm gonna tell you, I love them. I use them all the time. If you are thinking about getting one, highly recommend it because, like I say, I use them all the time. They're just so cool to wear them, and they are actually kind of dirty because, like I say, I do use them all the time. But I wanted to show you this right here. Just check them out. Obviously, in this case, I have this case right here, and again, this case is really cool and really not expensive. I do recommend having a case like this because once again you want to be able to protect your AirPods right here. And I'm going to tell you, I use them all the time. You could use them to talk on the phone, you could use them to listen to music. I listen to a lot of podcasts and things like that as well. I love using it with my computer that I got right here, but at the same time I connect into my iPhone as well. And I'm going to tell you, really not a big deal to go from the computer to the phone. It's just really easy to do. And like I said, they do work really fine. So they do claim to have an excellent battery. And I'm going to tell you, I kind of believe that because I barely run out of battery. Really barely. Maybe like once or twice since I haven't, which has been a couple months. So this case right here, what it does is that it actually charges the AirPods. So again, once you put it into here, you quickly gonna charge it, right? So again, you may have your own charge on your AirPods right here, but if you're putting into the case, like right here, they're gonna recharge again. So every time they're in the case, they are charging. So again, really cool. And by the way, when you open this up, the moment that you open it up, your iPhone kind of gives you a notification and you can see the battery as well right there. I'm going to tell you, overall, the AirPods has been really great. The performance that you get out of it is really good. They do fit in your ears really well. I haven't had any issues with that. And I'm going to tell you, they are a joy to use. Really easy. You can listen to music. Like I say, you can listen to podcasts. I do that a lot. And again, there has been truly a joy. They're really not that big neither. So they sit in your ear really well. And you do have a little bit sticking out, obviously, but it's really not that much. And when you talk to people, it's very clear, no issues at all. I mean, you could have a conversation for a couple hours with no problems. And again, just really beneficial. Overall, I got this for a while and I really love it.